Here's how to fix if your hotspot is grayed out. Now, if you're trying to go on your iPhone and turn on your personal hotspot, if it's grayed out, basically you can't toggle that on, I'm going to show you a few different things. So let's hop into your settings here. And you can see right under cellular is personal hotspot. I can go in there and normally you can basically just toggle on, allow others to join, and you can change your Wi-Fi password. You can increase compatibility at the bottom there. But if this is completely grayed out, if it doesn't give you the ability to turn it on, there are a few different options. One, and probably a common thing, is that certain carriers do not allow you to use that mobile hotspot using their mobile data. So depending on what you have, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, whatever it may be, I have AT&T and I can turn on mobile hotspot, but potentially your package with whatever carrier you have just doesn't support that mobile hotspot, and it'll be grayed out, and basically you just have to call your carrier and change your plan. The other thing you can do is let's go back and tap on cellular here. And then at the very top, you can see cell data. If that's toggled off, you can see that personal hotspot is grayed out. I can't click on it. Just toggle that on to allow you to turn on personal hotspot. And that's because your personal hotspot uses your cellular data, so it has to be enabled. The other thing we can do is go into mobile data options here. And you can see at the very top, data roaming, I usually have turned on. Under voice and data, let's go in there. And you want to make sure that you have something fast enough for that personal hotspot to use, something like 5G. And then under data mode, let's go there. You can see low data mode is an option. Make sure you don't have low data mode turned on. Make sure it's either standard or allow more data on 5G so that, again, you have fast enough internet through your mobile data to be able to power that personal hotspot. Now we can go back and go back and go back again. And the next thing that we can do is tap on General and then Software Update. Check to see if there's an update to your iOS operating system. Potentially this is causing any kind of bugs or glitches for that personal hotspot to be grayed out. And then the last thing we'll do is go back and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. And then the second option, reset network settings. So basically this will reset your connection to your cell carrier and basically re-ask it, can you turn on that personal hotspot? And after going through that process, it should be visible, it should be normal, not grayed out, so that you can toggle that on and use it from other devices. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.